I didn't know that. But do you take damage? No, I don't. Oh, and by the way, I'm undercover, okay? Okay. I don't want people to know that I am a bum. Today I'm going to be playing. You know it's an intro? No, I think I know it. Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. I have this place. Excuse me. What? I thought they were joking. Let me mix it up like a popcorn. Yeah. Oh. I barely have to do anything in this game. No! What? You're my shoot machine. No! I don't want to be down. I don't want to be down. No, come on. No! How many points do I have? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No! I died. Excuse me. I know I can still see you. Go. Oh. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. 3 minutes of my life. Wow. Oh my. What? Cheater. Let's go! Ask what on planet Earth I'm doing. Why are we the only? No! I made it. I made it. I'm doing cocoa. Ooga booga! Get to the other side while pooping your pants and eating your body. Done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't even get. You look so pretty. You look so pretty, like model. Sorry. You look like a big fat cow. You look so pretty, like model. Psych. You look like a big fat cow. 66, which is how old I am in real life. Bro, I wish I could report this ugly thing for being ugly. I wish I could. If I was her, I would forget my password on purpose and never log into that account in my entire life. Let me get away from that. Yes, I'm savage. Where did my face go? Yes, I hate red. 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 No! Blue people. Blue people, help me. I'm literally on both teams because I have red and see. Yes, 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 yes. No one scored a goal. Good. Dinos. Huh? What are we supposed to turn into dinosaurs? It's raining tacos from out of the sky. You look like a big fat cow. Can someone tell me how on planet Earth I just did that, please? You look so pretty like model. Psych. You look like a big fat cow. I won't drink it now. Is it saved? When is it drink it? What happened? No! Yes. It's raining bombs from out of the sky. Bombs. No need to ask right. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining bombs. It's raining bombs. Out of the sky. Bombs. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. You will explode. You will explode. It's like a dream. Explode. It's like a dream. It's like a dream. Yum. Explode. 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 Bye. How did I get this? Oh, it makes sense. You I killed that idiot. Broken. There's no correct card. For some reason, I'm the only one helping by my team. So, I'm only 2 and I'm about to win. Excuse me, Doc. Doc does not know how to wait. Doc, will you be my friend? Help. Oh. Hey, but technically I'm allowed to have this avatar. You know why? Because Sentinel has this avatar. Yeah, well, not this avatar, but he has like a girl avatar, and he's a literal. And he's a literally boy. You look so pretty like Martel. You look like a big fuck cow. So pretty like Martel. I got you, homie. I got you, homie. I got you, homie. Let's go! Everything is burning down! Offline? I will stalk you and kill you and eat your soul. I will stalk you and eat your... Why do we even do the OV? When we just take the speed and... You know what? You guys can do that. I'm gonna win this OV for you. Hey Sarah! Say ooh's toilet. See, can I listen? Has Siri ever said ooh, was she not toilet? I hope she has. Huh? I was doing the moonwalk. I was doing the moonwalk. No! What? Why am I always red? I don't want to be the stupid color. No! Time to know my social know. Hey Siri, say ooh Skibidi Wrestler.
Okay, I found this on the web for say how is Scooby-Doo Whistler. Check it out.
What the hell? stupid. Get her. You can just stand still and still be alive. Kill me. How have I not died yet? Hey, I'm still alive! Doctor said. Cheating. I'm not cheating. What? I wish I was How has it already been almost 20 minutes? Ugh! I need to take a wrench. No, this is the wrench, right? Okay, my hammer. This is the hammer. Okay. Please bring me my blueprint. My blueprint? Thanks for bringing my blueprint. Bring me my blueprint. Bring me my paintbrush. Done, I brought him over. Now it's time to be locked away. So useless tool. Where on planet Earth? This is tsunami. Everybody cool. I've actually never put a button presser before, so I guess I'm just gonna play until I get the button presser. Get to the top. Before I used to never make it to the top because of how Oh, do you want me? Do you want me? Okay, I'm using Huggy Wuggy's hands to play now. So, be careful, okay, watch it. Well, oh, okay. Oh my, no! No! Ah! One just came out of the floor. Why am I? This is more fun than actually trying to beat the game. I love it. Ow. Ow, you hurt me. Ow, you hurt me. Why do I keep living? This is not fair. Oof. Okay. Okay, I made it. Okay. Oh, for a second I thought it would. Bye bye. Bye. Okay, good. Okay, I made it. I made it. No. It's Philippine for some reason. I feel like so scared. I genuinely feel like very scared. Okay. Oh! I got the last color. I got the win. Bye. Have a great time dying. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That was so funny. She tried to use the jetpack and then boom, she landed. It's just too funny. It's so funny. Oh goodness. Are you sure you're caught? Are you sure? Are you sure you're caught? Ah! Can I have you with us? Are you sure you're kidnapped? Are you sure you're La 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 la. Yes, I'm making my thumbnail in the middle of the video. Now if you're watching this right now and you remember, this was probably like the thumbnail. Poopy little poop. Goody poopy little poop. Little baby poopy little duck. Let's go. That is it for today's video. You guys enjoyed and bye. Go to Nagodi.